Hello, teacher. My name is Laura Vidarte. Aroma Therapy Cleaning Products. Introduction. The products you will see below were created according to my bad experiences with the clean lines of my home, which significantly deteriorating my health. They are made from natural products, free of toxic substances that provide well-being and are complemented with delicious aromas with different therapeutic purposes, such as stress, labeling, anxiety, and allergy control. Content. The products contain natural ingredients that help cleaning, disinfection, and other elimination properties such as lemon, vinegar, baking soda, and natural vanilla, which were mixed with essences recognized for their therapeutic properties such as sandalwood, cinnamon, lavender, thyme, mint, and eucalyptus. In order to obtain clean, aromatized environments and in the same way provide incredible benefits to people. It is sometimes totally warranted, regulates stress, anxiety, and effectively controls allergies or allergens. This product can be used by all types of people, including children under supervision of a responsible adult, since they do not have any type of contraindication. This line of essential products for the home can be sold in all cities of the country, making their orders via the cell phone or from the website. If people wish, they can also buy in bulk to create their own business, which can benefit many people. The product was invented in order to help many women who are affected by the toxic substance of household cleaning products and to optimize the good health of all family members. Also provide effective clean, aromatized space and nice. The presentations are very colorful. The smell of the products are delicious, addictive, do not pollute the environment, and are really good. Goodbye, teacher.